It's cheese and crackers time. And I got Eric and Eric on the phone. Right, Eric and Eric. I haven't even got your video uploaded yet that I've just done because you're that keen and it's only 9 o'clock, 9:30. So it's 4:30 here, it's 9:30 over there. You're 5 hours different. But you were yesterday.
Yep.
Right, so what I want you to do, you've got your PC link on.
Yep.
Go to configuration. Go to internal map sensor.
Internal map sensor.
See how it's turned off?
Okay, 1 second.
Now, while we were just talking, they told me that they're not running an Atom anymore. I told them they should have had a monsoon, and they got a monsoon, but they didn't tell me that they got a monsoon.
Whatever the tuner says, we do.
So you've now got a little nipple on your computer, but we actually need to turn that shit on. Okay? So
Okay.
turn internal map sensor on.
Internal.
Oh fuck, it's not going to work there. We're probably going to have to go up to, just give me a moment. Mine are always just turned on. And I thought, oh, no. So what you have to do, and again, this G4X sometimes catches me out. So go to under GP input where it says map. So don't go down to input pins, go to map sensor.
Yep.
And where it says source, turn it to internal.
Yep.
Turn it internal, go OK.
Yep.
Don't worry about the other two figures at the moment. Go ECU controls, do map sensor calibration.
Map sensor calibration. Yes. Completed successfully.
Good. Okay.
50 PSI boost.
Have you got the map that how much did you change the map that I've sent you to get it to actually run? You've changed it fucking shitloads, eh?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. Okay. Do you know how to put the map that I sent you? Because and the only thing you've changed is the fuel numbers, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want me to explain how to change those numbers again? To put it back?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you could.
Open a second. Just got to get rid of a million pages of stuff here. Open the second G4X program.
All right. Yep.
Open the map that I sent you.
That's the very first one, right?
Yeah, the first one I sent you. And I don't actually have it. Oh, I don't know where I've saved it. I don't know which computer I did it from. Too many computers, man. But I'm just going to grab them. I'm going to grab one that's close.
That's a good problem, though.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
All right, so I got the second one open up right here.
To go to the fuel map, go to the fuel table. Right click. And it brings up a drop-down menu. Go to the import-export part of the menu. Go export to clipboard.
I see. And then I go back to the other one, import from clipboard.
Well done. Go back to your other one, import from clipboard. Job done.
Import from clipboard. Very well.
Save that to the ECU.
Right. And how do I update firmware?
Just save that to the ECU at the moment. And yeah, I probably should mention that every time when we fire it up, if there is a new firmware that's been around for a little while, that I do recommend updating the firmware. But right now, just fire it up and see how it idles. I can hear it running.
playing.
Just do the same thing I taught you before and bang some more fuel in it.
One more time? Said do, give more fuel. Alright.
So you know how to, because it's on
Yeah.
so again, just go onto the corner of the map.
Yep, I selected on. Right now I'm at 14.8 on my right bank, 17.4 on my left bank.
Okay, so we've got a big difference in the two banks.
Yeah.
Just bring it up so it's about, make it 13 on one and 16 on the other.
Right. Let's see here. Alright, so okay. Yeah, now we're at 14.15.
Cool. Same deal, buddy. Put it onto PC log and go for let it. Can you make sure you let it idle for like 2 or 3 minutes?
Okay.
Actually, let it idle until it gets to about 80 degrees. Just let it idle, and then give me a couple of minutes of idling at normal running temperature. Do a little bit of a drive. See how it drives. See how it revs. Does it rev? Does it already rev better?
Yeah. Yeah, it definitely runs better now.
Definitely revs better. Your plugs are going to be fouled to buggery as well. So,
Get a set of plugs.
right now, if it's still running okay, we'll give it a drive, okay? Because I want to check some other stuff. And as per my video, which you haven't watched yet because I haven't uploaded it yet because you were so excited to ring me, can you go up to ECU controls and push clear fault codes?
Yeah. Yes. All right. Cleared them.
Under the status, if you're in configuration, in the configuration menu,
Okay.
are there any fault codes displayed?
Yeah, so I have AN1, I have TPS signal, and ethanol.
Okay, ethanol we can turn off.
You saying internal or external?
So you said ethanol. You said you've got an ethanol fault code?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll look at.
Ethanol sensor, and then my TPS signal error. I think that's because my voltage, my minimum and maximum is it's falling underneath the error code.
Okay, let's have just a look here, eh?
Yeah.
So, oh wait, no, it shouldn't because you're at 0.1, 0.01, and 5. Have you calibrated your TPS?
No.
Okay.
Oh, I mean, you're talking about calibration where you go full throttle and
Yes.
zero throttle?
Yes.
Yeah, I've done that.
Okay. Well, we need to get that TPS calibrated properly so it's not throwing a fault code.
Huh.
Okay.
How do we recalibrate it?
So, what I want you to do, at the very top of the screen, there's a menu that says tuning.
Yep.
Go to the tuning menu and push runtime values.
Okay. I'm there.
Okay, under runtime values, go to analog.
All right.
What is the voltage under analog input AN volt 1 TPS main source V voltage? What is the voltage there?
4.99.
Okay, that's wrong. That is a problem.
Let's see. All right.
Push the
I
throttle.
think that could be incorrectly.
Probably wired incorrectly.
Let's see.
So we need to sort
Yeah, I
that.
think there was one thing I might have mixed on because there's only 3 pin that goes to the TPS, correct?
There's 4 pins on the TPS, but you use 3 of them.
Yeah, I think I might have switched that last pin with signal and another signal.
Okay, just so the outside pins are earth and 5 volt. If you're looking at the back, if you're looking at the back of the plug, the pin 1, which is on the right hand side, is the earth. The next pin is not used.
Okay.
The next pin after that, so pin 3, is the signal.
Signal.
And
what's pin 1 again?
Is earth, is sensor earth.
Oh, sensor earth, ground. Okay.
Yep, and then pin 4 is the 5 volt.
Okay, so we got sensor ground, we got signal and 5 volt. Okay, let me check that right now.
You check that, get that sorted, get the TPS sorted. I'm going to email you some information on the TPS. And I'm going to upload the video for you to watch. We've just sorted it anyway, but it still could be helpful. And you have a bit of a look at the TPS. I need to go feed some animals and do a couple of other things. And we'll have another session probably about 7:30. So it's going to be like 11 o'clock for you. Is that okay? Or actually,
11 o'clock tomorrow?
no, 11 tonight. Or are you going to go home soon?
No, I'll be here tonight.
So if you can fix the TPS, I want you to do the same again. I want you to do a PC log. Give me all that information. Hey, if you want to change that mixture a little bit, that's fine. If there is a definite bank-to-bank big difference, then we need to look at that. But it could just be fouled plugs. So if you are continually getting a big difference, pull the plugs out. If they're black and wet and shitty, bin them, put another set in it. Okay? And then give me a bit of a drive at different speeds. Okay? And I'll have a bit of a look over the logs and see how it looks. Cool, mate.
Pretty straightforward.
Cool, mate.
And so, let me write down the TPS one more time.
Yeah, I'll flick you some email and pictures, eh?
Okay, yeah, that works.
Cool, mate. Talk to you soon.
Perfect.
See you, mate.
Sounds good. Bye.
Bye-bye.